Fusion is no longer just sci-fi. India's roadmap could bring a star power to our grid. Ready to see India's path to fusion energy. Researchers at the IPR Gandhinagar have proposed a bold roadmap for India's fusion power future. Here's the plan in brief. What is fusion and how is India doing it? Fusion is the process of combining light atomic nuclei like hydrogen isotopes to release huge energy, the same process that powers stars. There are two major technical pathways: inertial confinement and magnetic confinement. India is focused on magnetic confinement. Tokamaks and Aerospace in the International ITER project in France. India already runs the SST-1 tokamak at IPR, which achieved plasma confinement for 650 ms as a foundational experiment. The roadmap and the flagships SST Bharat. The IPR team envisioned building SST Bharat, a fusion fission hybrid reactor with a 130 megawatts output, 100 megawatts from fission and 30 megawatts from fusion, aiming for a net Q output versus input of 5 for the fusion part. The estimated cost is Rs 25,000 crores. The longer horizon is to build a pure fusion demonstration reactor by 2060. Why this matters? For UPSC or UPSC policy lens. Clean, high-density energy fusion offers vast potential, less radioactive waste than fission, and abundant fuel, deuterium from water plus lithium from tritium breeding. Technological spillovers. Developing superconducting magnets, high-performance materials, plasma control, AI or digital twins, these will benefit multiple sectors beyond just energy. Strategic positioning. As global efforts intensify, UK step China's east private fusion firms, India wants to stay in the race rather than to be a late follower. The challenges and caveats. Sustaining plasma and materials fatigue. Holding plasma stably for long durations, handling neutron flux, and avoiding damage to walls or components are major technical hurdles. Economic viability and cost. Rupees 25,000 crores for SST Bharat is huge, and fusion must prove cost competitiveness versus renewables and advanced fission. The long timelines. The roadmap's goals are decades away. Delays, unexpected scientific roadblocks, funding continuity are real risks. The policy and institutional coordination requires consistent national mission mode support, regulatory frameworks for fusion, and integration with India's net zero or energy transition plans. Fusion may still seem futuristic, but India's roadmap is turning it into a tangible possibility. For more UPSC science and tech stories, like, share, and subscribe to Edacademy YouTube channel.